Hi guys, this is Paul. Hope you're okay. This is my unboxing for the Doctor Who Season 22 box set from HMV via eBay. This was the second season of Doctor Who to feature Colin Baker. Go. Front, spine, and the reverse. Here's the cover inside and the reverse. Yep. Booklet. Features information and an episode guide. Yeah. And that's the interior sleeve. There you go. There you go. Discs 1 and 2. Three and 4. 5 and 6. Yeah. 7 and 8. So there you go. Yeah, brilliant having this. So that was my unboxing for the Doctor Who Season 22 Collection Blu-ray edition from HMV via eBay. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing more videos soon. Please like, comment, subscribing. Goodbye.